everybody. Good afternoon on this lovely Sunday. Me and Damon is headed to some estate sales just to see what we could find. You're probably going to see my brother and my sister-in-law in this video. Yeah, we're going to see what we can find at this estate sale. We can find some goodies. Hopefully we can. Of course, we got our masks. We got our hand sanitizer. It feels really good out here.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
You're going through the front door. Everything is half price.
Excuse me. Hi.
Yes, ma'am. Once you move over, I'll go over.
Hello.
How you doing?
I'm all right. I wonder where they at. Ooh, look at this piano.
Everything is half price.
Mug life. Sharpener for knives. What's that one? Oh, they all Polo. Or is that something different?
It's a Polo.
Still out here yard selling, doing these estate sales. Hopefully we'll find some good stuff. We found a couple of items, not many. So we're gonna see what's over here.
Great. I'll see you. Thank you. Appreciate it.
I see what you're saying.
Well, she's already planned stuff.
So, wedding dress. So, this the basement?
Now, all third, coming down the room. That's a nice place to go.
Dang.
Like this, I think.
Hi.
Yeah. Well, what it is, half price.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that part.
Half price. Yeah. Here, let's come on road so we can catch another close by here.
Oh, the refrigerator in the ball.
Here, look in your phone, Chayana.
Why can't you look in your phone? In your phone.
My phone, her phone better than mine.
It ain't nothing down here. Besides that right there.
That's not for sure.
Now, does it say? Oh yeah, it does say that.
Okay. One up on the top. It's 900 basically.
Which one go up?
Yeah, half is 450. They're offering 2.25. You come up closer to the 450. I mean,
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm all right.
Oh, just the cookies. I need a bigger one of these.
What?
Okay.
Yeah, you do.
This thing will be $1, right?
What's that?
Since you told him $2 and it's half price, it'll be $1, right?
No, no.
It'll just be $2.
$2.
Okay.
That's up to you. You tell me about it.
Okay. What is this thing? Oh, this is for herbs and stuff, spices.
Yeah. $30.
Yeah. Cash only, all sales final. Whew.
Hey girl.
Hello, hi.
75% off everything unless it says otherwise.
75%?
Yeah.
Wow.
Crazy,
Ooh,
girl.
those are nice.
So
Those are nice.
gonna make this what?
Hold on, let me do the math.
Wow.
Do the math in my head. What do you think I am?
Oh, come on, man. You like a genius?
These are really nice. Expensive, but nice.
Yeah, they are. Look nice. Cookie jar.
Yeah, oh, you see this one? And this one. Wow. Yeah, that one real nice.
You see the ones over here? Look at the Dairy Queen.
Oh yeah, she was whoever this was a collector. It's a good collection. It's a really nice
Real
collection.
Nice collection. Yeah. Real nice collection.
Wow. Super nice.
Okay. $12 for that lemon. They take me.
You see these cookie jars?
Yeah.
I ain't either, but they're really nice. They are really nice. They had a really nice collection. Super nice.
Yeah, yours nice.
That's cute. Hat box cookie
Right
jar.
behind the other staircase, so go around this
Okay.
second way.
All right, thanks.
we are done with the estate sales. What you think, Damon?
It was cool. Had a few little deals.
Would you do it again?
Yeah, I'll do it again. It's just something to do, you know. Like I said, you can come up. Especially if you come across some stuff that you need.
Yeah, it was nice. I enjoyed myself. I found some good stuff. I got this candle, the Bath and Body Works candle, for $2. I got this little cabinet that I'm.
That's a Bath and Body Works candle?
Yeah. Yeah, that's a Bath and Body Works candle. The Slash and whatever it's called. He used to do candles way back in the day for Bath and Body Works, and then he decided to go off on his own and make his own candles.
Okay.
But yes, that's why I said it might be like a 2001 or, you know, something like that. It's an old candle, but yeah, it is a Bath and Body Works. Yeah, I enjoyed myself. I had a good time. We found some really nice stuff. I think total we probably spent what, maybe
$20.
maybe $20, maybe. But it was fun. Hello, guys, this was a nice thing to do. Like, if you ain't got nothing to do, you could go on estatesale.net and check out estate sale in your area and just go out. The last day of the sale, most everything be like 50% off or 75%. So you can find some really, really nice stuff. Super nice stuff. This was our first time, and you know, we went with my brother. Yeah, we enjoyed ourselves. I enjoyed myself. I guess I'll come back and show y'all the stuff that we got, which ain't really much. But yeah, I'll just come back and show y'all that, and then I guess close the video out, I guess. Or y'all don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell. I knew he was gonna laugh. Hit the bell, subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave comments at the bottom, do all that stuff. All that stuff really do help me. So I guess I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.